everyone. I hope you guys are having a happy Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. It's the beginning of the week, and I just wanted to share some information with you regarding List Infinity. You are here because you have heard of this opportunity. Maybe you're looking into it and you want to see what it's all about. So I am going to share my journey with you because I just got started with this opportunity, and it's been 1 week. And so far, I'm loving the system. I'm going to explain to you how the system works, what to expect when you join the opportunity, and I'm going to also share with you some results. And I just like to share my information because when I come across programs that are easy to duplicate and that are newbie friendly, I feel that this is the easiest way for a person to build an online business. If you're looking to earn an additional income or replace your current income, you can do so with List Infinity. So what I want to do first is I'm going to go to my Stripe account. I'm logging in. Today is November 30th. It is 10 o'clock at night. It's pretty late here in New York. But I decided that I was going to share my journey and give you guys results daily as I can so that people know that this is a real opportunity with real results that really work. Okay. So I'm logging here into my dashboard. This is my Stripe account. When you decide to join List Infinity, you can use Stripe or PayPal. Okay, so these are the two accounts that you can use to collect your payments. They're going to show you exactly how to set up to collect payments. And not only that, you are going to receive payments directly to your personal account. You don't have to go through no middleman. You don't have to wait for your funds. The moment a person gets started with List Infinity, you will start to receive your payments. Okay. So right now I'm at $700 for the day. Okay. These are unlimited $100 commissions that you're going to receive. Yesterday I had only 2 payments come in, but as you can see, today was a bit better. And again, the payments have been very consistent. So if you are looking to join an opportunity, you definitely want to take a look at this. You're going to learn how to build a viral email list. Emails actually helps you to build a list where people can get information about different opportunities that you participate in. They're going to give you the emails. The emails are going to be sent out on your behalf from your autoresponder. That's where you hold the emails. And as people join or look at your opportunity, they're going to receive information even after they click the link the first time. So if a person doesn't come on the first time that they see your link, they will start to get emails that will remind them to take a look at your opportunity again and to join the opportunity. You are going to make a one-time payment to get started. And what you're going to get, one of the things that I love that you're going to receive, not only is a sales page with your link for people to join, but you're going to get these viral capture pages, guys. If you take a look, there's 13 capture pages. And you can use any one of these capture pages to promote this opportunity. So here are some of the capture pages that they use, and there's a total of 13 capture pages. Not only that, you're going to also get the email swipes. And when you sign up, the email swipes are going to go directly into your autoresponder. You don't have to write them, type them, or anything, or make them up. They're already there for you. So once you are a pro member, and you can start off as a free member, when you come in, you want to start off as a free member. So right down here at the bottom, when you get to the sales page, which is in the description below, you can start here as a free member. Okay. And then when you want to upgrade to the pro version, which is a one-time payment of $100, and then you're going to get access to all of this. So you get your traffic generation strategies using free methods and paid methods. But not only that, you're going to also get a free vacation. You're going to be able to earn unlimited $100 payments. And what I love is you're building an email list. So in the future, if you want to promote something else, or maybe you want to add an additional stream of income to your portfolio, you can do so by blasting your email list that you will be growing through this program. Okay. They also have some frequently asked questions. So you can go through that again by just clicking on the description below. We have a chat room for our members, and we also have a Facebook group where you'll see proof of people who are getting payments. And not only that, you can interact with like-minded people. So in just 3 simple steps, the way that it works is you're going to set up your system. Then you're going to select a lead page, and then you're going to promote your link. When you become a pro member, they're going to give you a ton of different trainings that is going to allow you to implement different traffic strategies that you can use to promote this opportunity or to promote any opportunity. But right now, this is what's hot. This is what people are talking about. I started out online building an email list, and I started making money from my email list. And that's one of the things that allowed me to grow business over the years, is being able to have a list that I can always promote different opportunities to, and not only that, make money from. So if you're interested in this opportunity, you want to take a look at the sales page. The information will be in the description below. I look forward to working with you and seeing you on the inside. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another review.